In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control access to a Jira project using Atlassian Jira. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or new to Jira, gaining control over who has access to your projects is crucial for maintaining security and streamlined workflow. Let's dive into the process and walk you through it step by step. First, you'll need to head over to the Atlassian website. This is where all the features and tools for collaboration are located, specifically designed for software, IT, and business teams. Make sure you're logged in to access your Jira projects. If you haven't yet, go ahead and click on Sign In. Enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Jira home. This is essentially the dashboard that gives you an overview of all your projects. Now that you're at Jira Home, you'll want to select the specific project where you wish to control access. Click on the project name to enter its dedicated space. Within your project, look for the three-dot icon, typically located at the top of the page. This icon opens up a menu with additional options. Once this menu is visible, select Project Settings. This is an essential area where various project configurations are found. After entering the project settings, you should see an option labeled Access. Clicking on Access is your gateway to managing who can view or modify your project. It's like opening a door to see who gets an invitation to your project party, and just as important, who doesn't. The Access page will present you with a detailed breakdown of current users and their respective permissions. Next, you'll want to click on Project Access. It's here that you fine-tune the conditions under which team members are allowed entry. Jira offers several permission schemes you can apply, tailoring access levels according to roles like administrator, developer, or viewer. This customization ensures everyone has the appropriate level of oversight for the tasks they need to perform without clutter. So, if you followed all these steps, congratulations. You've just learned how to control access to a Jira project effectively. It's important to revisit these settings periodically, especially as team members join or leave projects, to ensure everything remains secure and efficient. To wrap up, understanding and managing access in Jira is not just about security. It's key to fostering transparent and efficient teamwork. By having controls in place, you protect sensitive project data while ensuring that team members have the tools they need to collaborate effectively. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide easy to understand and helpful for your project management needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.